Hi guys, we're getting ready to go on a cruise in 2 days and it's time to start packing. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I pack really efficiently. Step one is put all your clothes out. I have mine and my husband's ready. Step two is that we're taking 2 suitcases, and the reason being is that in case one gets lost, I want to make sure that not of our, like all of our stuff doesn't get lost. So I'm going to put half of my clothes and half of my husband's clothes in one, and half of the other half in the other suitcase. That way, if something happens, we still have clothes to wear. These are the two piles. Now I get these amazing Hefty storage bags. They have this thing right here where you can suck the air out of it, and they shrink all your stuff. I have another one for each pile. Now let's put everything inside those bags. We'll put one stuff in one bag, and as you can see, it also has a little zipper on here. Little thing, you just push it back and forth and it will help seal it up. Okay, so I have both of my bags now packed up and zipped up, and all the air is out, and like there's no air in these little seams over here. So now the last step is you get all the air out, and with this one you can squeeze it out, which is going to take a little time. You could hear it. Squeeze it out, and then you can use either a vacuum, or you can use a special pump that comes with it. I use a vacuum at home, and then when I am packing again on the ship, I use the pump, the hand pump. It's super tiny. I'll show you in a sec. Here's the vacuum method. Isn't that magical? This is the pump. This is what we use once we are returning from the cruise. Obviously, we don't have a vacuum with us. We use the pump. This is the pump, super easy, small. The fastest way is to get all the air out. You let squeeze. It makes it a lot faster. Alright, and you get the pump on, it's pumping.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah. Hello. Are you helping?
And she's upset we're going on vacation.
Yeah.
She knew about all the food we were going to eat.
I know. Ta-da!
Did it?
Look at that. Nice and flat. All those clothes fit right here. And look at the tiny suitcases we have. We don't take big suitcases. No, we don't, because we're lazy. Like, we don't carry big stuff. Little suitcases. Oh, look at this. That is all the space for shoes. All the space on this one. Look, this one. I could have packed like both of these things, like everything in this tiny little suitcase. I still had room. Isn't that amazing? And these Hefty bags, they're like, I've tried so many, these are the best. So if you're gonna get some, try Hefty. Happy cruising.